Good day everyone, I'm Dave Alivio from Group 2 and for today's video, I will report my assigned topic which is all about chair dance motions. So chair dance motions. So there are hand movements in chair dance. We have here beginning stance and chair stance, T and half T positions, clasp, clap, overhead clasp, low clasp, touchdown and low touchdown. We also have here high V and low V, tabletop and punch and etc. L and diagonal positions. So for further explanations, let's proceed to the next slide. So beginning stance, feet together, hands down by the side in blades. So this is the beginning stance. So you just move your feet together and put your hands down by the side blades. Next is chair stance. So feet more than shoulders width apart, hands down by the side in blades. So just like that, as you can see in the pictures, that is chair stance. Next you have here T motions. Both arms extended straight out the side and parallel to the ground. Relax the shoulders. So just like that, very simple. Just form your shoulders to letter T. That is why it is called T motions. Next we have half T. So both arms parallel to the ground and bent at elbows, fist into shoulders. So just like that, you just move your arms half to both arms half and parallel to the ground, just like that, as you can see in the picture. That is half T. Next we have here bow and arrow movement. Bow and arrow positions. So one arm extended to side with other arm bent at elbow in a half T motions. So same ra siya hapit sa T motion, but ang isa na niya ka arm is kuan kanang dili nimo siya kuan nimo siya i-half lang nimo ang sa left nga arm. So that is bow and arrow. Next is we have here front lunge. So lead leg bent with the knee over the ankle, back leg straight, feet perpendicular to each other. So just like that, you just move forward your leg to lead and your back leg straight. So just like what you see in the picture. Next is side lunge. Lead leg bent with the knee over the ankle. Back leg straight, feet perpendicular to each other. So same ra siya sa kining isa ganina, front lunge. Pero ang kini lang niya kay sa side na pod. But ang imong movement is kuan lang, same lang gyapon pero side lang siya. Next is clasps. So hand clasp at the chin, elbows in. So just like that, you need to put your hand clasps at below your chin. Next is overhead clasp. So arms are straight above the hand in a clasp and slightly in front of the face. So ang kini siya is from the word overhead. So sa gid siya sa lapas gid siya sa imong ulo, and dapat straight imong kamot, then kuan siya kanang in front siya sa imong nawong, dili siya sa likod, tilain po kayo. So front siya sa imong nawong, then straight jud imong kamot and clasp ana. Next is low clasp. So arms extended straight down in a clasp and slightly in front of the body. So akong ang kanina is overhead, so ang kinapod siya is paubos. Same ra gyapon yung button is i-clasp gyapon imong kamot but paubos siya nga direction. Then kuan siya dapat straight gud gyapon ang imong kamot, straight down. Next is touchdown. So arms extended straight and parallel to each other, fist facing in. So ang touchdown is ang duha nimo ka kamot is dapat straight and parallel siya, dapat tupong jud. Then ang imong kuan inakatubang siya sa kuan sa audience. That is touchdown. Next is low touchdown. So arms extended straight down and parallel to each other, fist facing in. So sa touchdown is paangat siya or pa up yang kuan direction. Ang dili pud sa low touchdown is paubos siya. But still ang imuhang arms is kuan straight and parallel to each other. Next is high V. So ang high V is arms extended up forming a V. Relax the shoulders. So simple na kayo. You need to just form V. Ang i-form mo V imong arms, then dapat i-relax ra pud mo imong shoulders para dili kahawiyon. Next is low V. So arms extended down forming a V. So simple lang gyapon kayo kung gayna pataas, gayna pud siya kay paubos siya nga V. That is what we call low V. Next is tabletop. So arms bent at elbow, fist in front of shoulders. So imuhang kuan imuhang kamot sa imuhang elbow ang duha. Then dapat ang imuhang kamot is naka face siya sa atubangan gyapon sa front sa imuhang shoulders. That is tabletop. Next is punch. One arm extended straight up and one arm on the hip in a fist. So ang imuhang right nga kamot is naa sa imuhang hip. Ang imuhang kuan pod imong right nga kamot is naa sa babaw. Straight up yun siya, dapat straight yun imong kamot. Then dapat dili magtikuko, dili magkuan, straight yun siya. Muna siya punch. Next is L motion. So one arm extended to the side with the other arm extended in the punch motion. So left L shown. So pa left ni siya nga L. So ang imuhang kuan ari kaning L motion is ang imuhang left nga hand is pa up. Then ang imuhang right nga hand is kuan siya, straight lang siya sa kilid. Straight siya sa side. That's it. Para ma-form siya og letter L. Next is diagonal. So one arm extended in a high V and other arm extended in a low V. Right diagonal shown. So kini siya is ang imuhang right nga hand is pa-up siya pero pa diagonal ihang position, din ang imuhang left sub nga arm is kuan pa down siya, dili siya pa-up para ma-forma gid siyang diagonal. That's it. So those are the different types of chair dance motions. Again, let's recall it. So again. All right. So we have hand movements in chair dance. So these are the different hand movements. We have beginning stance, chair stance, T motion, half T, bow and arrow, front lunge, side lunge, clasp, overhead clasp, low clasp, touchdown, low touchdown, high V, low V, tabletop, punch, L motion, and diagonal. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you learned a lot and enjoy watching this video. Bye bye.